So it seems as if Olite needs serious help. Asatwa Baizika. Yesterday he did a live and he broke down. Mujaya cried. Shakandi said, I don't think he recovered from substance abuse. He's not well and he's crying for help. He might look like someone who is joking. They don't take Olite serious, but something big is going on. Life make asiri kugona kunyatso expressa kwatiri. He expressed that he's been bleeding and hurting for a long time. Someone must reach out. Muno akati, I've been hurting, I've been bleeding for a long time. Muni iye anengashtoda rubatsiro. I think he used alcohol to numb the pain, and now that he's not an alcohol addict, he's failing to copy. He's going through a lot, and he expressed whatever he expressed. Kuti, and this is the last time that you're seeing me and Chada, I'm done. That was him. Mawedzi wawa, they are enough for us kuti acte, especially if you are closer to Mujaya, please. Cause munu kana akati, this is my last time. He's been battling with serious headaches and used the song to copy, different songs to copy. Almost all his songs are kanyora iye Holiten arikutim, meaning yema songs iwawa, it was through pain that he was going through in his life, depression that he was going through. He has been depressed for a long time. Ndosaka aiburitsa ma hit songs aiburitsa, and the life yake yakawoma at this moment azvinaumira zvakanaka. And ndikuziva financially here kana kuti chii. Last time he expressed that financially is not okay, and people were like, why are you saying you need a GoFundMe holiday? And I feel like Mkomana financially because my shows anenge asungatsoita mazuano, my shows akawanda arikuita hake, but it's not like those shows that he used to do. Now I think kuti ama show ma plus 40 holiday na asungatsoita my hit songs of late. I think last year, yes, I can't remember any hit song yake. This time around. It's very rare for a man to open up, but Holiten did that, and hopefully you'll get help. As well as Kim. Kim Aripi na iwedwe. I don't know. What is she saying? And isn't she supposed to be with Holiten in South Africa? What's going on? Someone is staying in South Africa and someone is staying in Zimbabwe. What is going on? Ndokuzonzi hands, the only hole that I've been with is Kim. Holiten mamataura anoita soka achanobviswiswa futi imwe mombe. Aminoti shingane yekuita sorry. Sure angati kune mukadzi wake, the only hole that I've been with is Kim. What is that? I mean, I don't know. I think problem yedu futi maZimbabweans, we take everything as a joke. Munhu kana azozviuraya manje tozoti sure that live ndo zvaitoreva, that live Mkomana, it was a cry for help, but we did not act. This was the time to act upon issue ya Holiten. His words were too deep. Handina iye handina hope, handina ukufonera, handina hope, handina ukufonera, zvakandiomera. Ndoma words ake iwawo. His mental illness needs diagnosis. It really needs to be diagnosed ASAP. Apa ku South Africa kwaari kutogara kondo kwaanogona kutoona help, andisi anogona kuenda ma health institutions akawandisa mari yako chete. I just love the way he's so resilient. Pamunoti Mkomana apera, he comes back bigger. His life that he did on Instagram, he had over 2,500 people. And ku Instagram, ku Zimbabwean like in a community of Zimbabwean, I don't think there's anyone who is big by my numbers than Holiten. Anopula ake crowd in terms of my lives. Anogona. He knows how to do my lives. That's why I want more than 2.5. Mkomana anovharisa zvese kuFacebook nekuTikTok neku-Instagram kwacho zvese. He's got the numbers, and my numbers ake, well, you must use them to be successful. Let me just finish off Nema comments. These are the results of alcoholism that we often shy to talk about. There is a serious mental health issues happening here, depression in most cases, and he is self-medicating with alcohol. Soon we'll hear alcohol-related psychosis, pancreatitis, gastrointestinal issues, and memory loss. These are the results of continual use of large alcohol volumes. Holly needs a rehab that will give him respite from alcohol. Alternatively, it's good to have mental health assessment and address underlying issues, possibly let them medicated. Be that as it may be, Holly is a great musician, talented and gifted. All the best, Holly. I just hope Holly 10 will see this comment because, to be honest, he needs to be diagnosed with something and he needs to work on that. Alcohol can ruin your life just like that. And he's young. That's the most painful part of everything. He's very young. He still has life ahead of him. He should try by all means to get help as soon as possible. I know it's not easy, but he should try. Then someone is saying, Panaba, let's learn to be there for celebrities when they need us. Otherwise, one day we'll all be saying, Hata Ishona. It takes guts for someone to go live and tell you his story. He needs sympathy, and we are going to give him that. The fans make celebrities succeed. So when celebrities come to you for help, they expect, since you love them, they can lean on you. But my fans are too much aura farming. Let's be there for our star. You 10. Whatever you're going through, I hope you'll be fine. We just hope for the best. Ukaona munhu akuchema, ukaona munhu akuridza mhere, zvinenge zvisina kumira zvakanaka. He needs to be strong, he needs to find help. I think kuti he feels neglected. Kana munhu achaiwo kufonera, kana munhu achaiwo kutaura naye, which means kuti zvinenge zvakatooma. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section. Also, your thoughts panyaya iyi.